Hello, I'm Stamati from Redware, and in this video, we're going to show you our Power BI connector for Sage 50 and how to access all your Sage accounting data within Power BI from a template from Excel or from our desktop PBIX. The easiest way to see our Power BI dashboard for Sage is to go to redware.com, look at the Power BI Sage connector page. You'll see this video here, and here you'll see our interactive Power BI dashboard. So if we open it up in full screen mode and click View Interactive Content, you'll see here, I'll just go through the design of our report. Basically, there's buttons to take you through to the relevant area, be it customers, sales, suppliers, finance, products, and so on. So let's look at customers. If we go to the customer page, you can see a summary of all the customers here. On the left, we can filter by customer code or customer name. The arrow down will take us to the next entity down. So here we can look at sales documents, for example, and that'll show us all the sales documents. And if we look here, we're drilling down further to see the actual product items. We can filter on customer code, for example, here, and that'll show us everything beginning with B. And then as we go back up the hierarchy, you can see the selection is respected, or we can just take the selection off like that. If you've got more than one legal entity, you'll have that legal entity here so you can see them separately. And we've implemented the drill down here. You could either right click here and drill through, or this arrow right will take you to just this one customer. And then again here, that'll take you to just that one. So we've got basically arrow down to go to a different entity, arrow right to take you either to a drill down or a different screen, and then click up here on the home button to take you way back. The finance pages are interesting for accountants. If you're just interested in sales, you can look by products, but finance here we're showing you a breakdown of all the finance data. So that's not just a balance sheet, or it's all the data. It's taken directly from the underlying nominal transactions. If it was multi-company, we would just analyze by legal entity, but we can click here. It's breaking it down by period, a period year rather. And here you can see by period. And of course you could select and just see the data for 2022, for example. And this is just using the matrix feature of Power BI, so you can drill up and drill down. So that's very powerful for you. Again, for the trial balance, you can see the data and click at the top to see additional fields if you like. And on the balance sheet, again, you can break it down by period year, or by legal entity. So all that dynamic side of Power BI is working for you, and we'll show you the underlying data there. If you're accessing from within Power BI in the cloud, you'll probably install a template, which you could get from the Microsoft Store or by clicking here on this link. And when you do that, it's going to install the template app directly into your Power BI cloud. When it's done that, you can either get some sample data by typing in here, either QuickBooks 0 or Sage 50, or if you look at our instructions, if you installed the app and done the snapshot of your accounts, you can type your serial number here, and that will bring in the data. And so you can see the data here. Now, what's interesting is you can export here and you can analyze in Excel. And if you do that, it will open up Excel either for the web or you can do it with the desktop, and you'll be able to see the model from the data set opening up, and you can do all the same reports that you can do in Power BI, you can do with Excel. So for example, here, I can bring in the customer name for here on the customers, and then I can find the sales data, and I can bring in the total sales. So I can see here the total sales per customer. So all the data is available for you with a model, and you can see some instruction videos. Now, in addition to Excel and a template app, we also provide you with a PBIX with the data in it. You can edit the parameters here to use your serial number to pull in your data or different sample data. Once you've done that, you have full access to all the data. So for example, you can come here to the data and you can look at your customer data, and you can pull in, for example, customer name, and then go down to the sales data again, pull in the gross amount, and do all the reporting that you would like inside BI. If you look at transform data, you'll be able to see the individual data files, and you can see here, we've got the customers, we've got suppliers, we've got nominal transactions and nominals and so on, all being pulled in. So you have the full data, and you can see we have a series of videos to bring that down. Thanks for viewing the video. You can look at the sample data as we've shown you in this video, but if you want a snapshot of your data, you need to go to redwed.com and register and have a look at the instruction video at the bottom of the relevant web page at redwed.com for how to set yourself up. We'll give you one snapshot of your data for free. Enjoy.